Hello everyone. In this video, I gonna tell you how to crack British accent. Yeah, how to pronounce words in British accent. So firstly, I learned how to pronounce vowels. In Indian accent, we say vowels, but in British accent, we say vowels. Their sounds, vowel sounds are very different to Indian vowel sound. So yeah, that's why our accent are very different. I add a chart which you all can see 20 vowels and 24 consonants. Firstly, we learn how to pronounce vowels. The first sound we have sit, sit, say, which have e sound like sit, see, e, see, like sit, C-E-A-T, sit. In British we say sit. Say e, e like e sound. See, see. In Indian we say ABCD, like in British we say sit, like sit, see, see. That's why the C sound. Okay. Second sound is sit. S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. It's a short vowel sound. We have to we have actually four category, and you can see in the chart we have four categories here. And in sit there is short vowels. Sit, only sit, e sound, not a. And in sit there is c, that's have also a sound. You can pronounce repeatedly, then you can able to pronounce it. So yeah. Okay, we have third vowel. We say shoes. In British we say shoes. Ooh, there is oo sound. Shoes. In Indian accent we say shoes. J sound. But in British accent we say shoes. S, sound. Su, oo sound, and s like a sound. This shoes. Third vowels is here is oo sound. And is the fourth vowel is book. Book. Oo. Is oo sound, only oo. Book. Good. Huh? There is a good. Oo sound only. And there is a book. Boo. Oo sound, only oo sound. But in shoes, there is soo. Soo. Soo sound. You can clearly see the differences. In third sound there is a soos. In fourth sound there is a book. Good. See, you can pronounce it repeatedly, then you can able to like learn it. In British accent, vowels play the major role. So you have to focus on vowels, how to pronounce vowels, and you have to practice regularly. Today uh, I introduce you four vowels. In next video we continue this series and I'm damn sure you are able to crack British accent. And trust me, guys, if you regularly practice, you have to only give like 2 weeks, really, only 2 weeks, and you are able to speak in British accent. But in 2 weeks, you have to more disciplined and more consistent in your pronunciation work. So, so you can like crack this accent. So practice and subscribe my channel. Then you are able to get notification, and see you all in next video. Thank you.